Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today I am going to share a wonderful snack recipe which is very popular in Mangalore. These are Mangalore Buns. Now this is made with bananas and all-purpose flour, that is Maida. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So to make the Mangalore Buns, I've taken 3 ripe bananas. Now you can see these are a bit small. So I'm taking 3 ripe bananas here. If the bananas are a bit large, you can take 2. I'm adding half teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 2 teaspoons of just grated jaggery here, 1 tablespoon curd, just a pinch of salt, so you can see I've mashed it to a certain extent. Next I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, just mix that in, a pinch of baking soda and mix it all in. So now you can see everything is well combined. Now add 1.5 cups of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. Now gently start mixing the banana mixture along with the flour. So this is going to form your dough. Gently start kneading it till you get a nice soft malleable dough. So just knead it for about 5 minutes. So once you've kneaded the dough, just apply a drop of oil, rub it all over and let this sit for about 4 to 6 hours. The dough has been sitting for about 6 hours now. Divide the dough into equal sized balls. Dust the rolling surface with a little bit of flour. Place the dough ball, gently press it and start rolling it out. You don't want to roll it too thick or too thin, so make sure you just roll it to about medium thickness. So once the oil is hot, maintain the heat on a medium. Now gently drop in the rolled out dough and just gently press it so it puffs up. Just keep flipping it at intervals so you get a nice even color on all sides. You can see how amazing these Mangalore buns look like. They look like pooris, but we call it Mangalore buns because they also look like these nice golden brown buns. These are perfect for an evening snack, or you can make it anytime. Kids will love it. So let's taste these delicious buns. Now you can see how beautifully it's cooked through and how the dough is fermented. It's perfect. I love these buns and you can enjoy them anytime, and they're so simple and easy to make. Wow, these Mangalore buns look absolutely delicious. They're very simple and easy to make and make for a perfect evening snack. Now you can enjoy them as is because it's a little sweet, or you can serve it with some nice chutney by the side. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.